Welcome to Science by PK. When most people think of black holes, they imagine gigantic monsters at the center of galaxies. But not all black holes are supermassive. Scattered throughout our Milky Way are smaller, but still incredibly powerful objects known as stellar black holes. A stellar black hole forms from the death of a massive star. When a star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravity. The star collapses inward and explodes in a massive event called a supernova. What's left behind can be an extremely dense core. If that core is heavy enough, it collapses into a black hole. These black holes are called stellar because they come directly from stars. Even though they are much smaller than supermassive black holes, they are still incredibly dense. A stellar black hole may only be about 10 to 20 times the mass of the sun. Yet, all that mass is packed into a region only a few dozen kilometers wide. So, where are these black holes hiding? Astronomers believe there are millions of stellar black holes in our galaxy alone. Most of them are invisible because black holes do not emit light. We can only detect them when they interact with other objects. One common way is when a stellar black hole is part of a binary system, orbiting a normal star. As the black hole pulls gas from its companion star, the material heats up and glows brightly, giving scientists clues that a black hole is present. Unlike the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy, stellar black holes do not control the motion of stars around them. They quietly drift through the galaxy, obeying the same laws of gravity as everything else. If one passed through our solar system, which is extremely unlikely, it would not suddenly swallow everything. Its gravity would only be dangerous if you got extremely close. Stellar black holes are also important to science because they help us test our understanding of physics. They allow scientists to study extreme gravity, warp space and time, and the behavior of matter under conditions that cannot be recreated on Earth. Some stellar black holes even collide with each other, sending out gravitational waves that ripple through space and are detected here on Earth. These black holes also play a role in the life cycle of galaxies. The explosions that create them spread heavy elements across space, elements that later form planets, moons, and even life sometimes. In that sense, stellar black holes are not just destroyers, but also part of the process that builds the universe. So what makes stellar black holes in our galaxy so fascinating? It's the idea that these invisible objects are everywhere, silent remnants of stars that once shined brightly. They remind us that even after a star dies, its influence can continue for billions of years. Hidden in the darkness of the Milky Way, stellar black holes are proof that the universe is far more active, mysterious, and dynamic than appears at first glance. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.